to create add the new department and also specialist. And so here we have several like facilities or membership and other. So before we get like the chat like this, okay, before we want to know about the what the name this one service. So in service we will add on the specialist no, service category. This is for service. So we must set the service, and then second one we can manage the category here. Manage item category, and then the third we can set the specialization in here. Specialization. Okay, so if we click here book an appointment and then we choose the service, so the service it will be come from this one service category, and then after we click the service category, and then it will be another department ENT. So ENT will come from service category in here, and then after we click ENT, and then we can choose the specialist. So for the doctor in specialist, the first step before we add the doctor, we add the specialization in here menu, and after that in here specialization, and after that we can add the doctor. So we can add the doctor. After this the 4 is add the doctor, and then doctor, and then the 5 is set the schedule. This is the date, and then we set the schedule here, schedule. So the schedule is like this one, minute schedule. Okay, that's the step, the 5 step if you want to follow the step for the booking. So here I want to demo one account from Udacoding here, and then we set the English, not English, this is Dubai, and then we choose the okay, the first one we can add the service. We can add service. For example, we have so we add this service. For example, we add the family medicine, and then we give the icon, family. Okay, after we add the family, and then we add the minutes item category. Okay, in item category we add this one. The surface is family. What is that? Family medicine. We add the family medicine, and then we choose in family medicine in here. Okay, and then after that we add specialization. Okay, in specialization we add the name is specialist on family medicine, specialist in family medicine, and then we add the family medicine here, and then we choose the image. Okay, so we have a special family medicine. So the next step after this one, the doctor, we add the doctor here, and then we add the doctor. So for example here we give the Dr. Anwar, Dr. Ahmed. So we save these photos, so we give them name if Dr. Ahmed, Dr. Ahmed at gmail.com, and then we add the Arabic, and then the hospital, and then we choose the family medicine, and the specialization only specialist family medicine, because we said that only one specialist, but if you want to add more specialization, you can add on this one specialization. Okay, and then we add this one, and then we can add this, and then we give this one. Okay, and then we choose the doctor, and then we save. Okay, now we can see that Dr. Ahmed Salim Anwar here, specialist family medicine. And after that, the last step is we want to manage the schedule. So here we choose the Ahmed Salim Anwar, and then we choose this one. Okay, we add more. Okay, we add more again. Okay, exactly, we have done all the steps, so now we can try again. We can try. Okay, we can choose the main menu, and then we can choose like book an appointment, and then we can select the because we have two active service category now in here. Yes, the specialist and family medicine, so it will show the family medicine here, and then we can choose the family medicine, and then we can choose the doctor. The doctor is Dr. Ahmed Salim Anwar, and then we can choose the date. Okay, we can choose the time. Okay, and then we add the patient name, and then for example I type wrong format, so it will match to the correct format. Okay, here the details. Okay, that's all for the step